Hey curl friends, it's exclusively Sa here, and today I am finally doing a wash and go. But today I am going to be trying out this new shampoo and conditioner from this company named Wow. It is based out of India, and they have some very good benefits, very good healthy things in their shampoo, conditioner, and products. And I'm basically going to be telling you guys a little bit of background about what I'm putting in my hair, what the benefits are, as well as telling you how I am washing my hair. So right now I am just rinsing out all the nasty gooky mess, and I'm gonna go in with this shampoo. Now this shampoo is the apple cider vinegar shampoo. There's so many different natural remedies for apple cider vinegar, the rinses, the deep conditioners. It's made with a lot of good stuff. It has natural apple cider vinegar, almond oil, argan oil, all this other ingredients that I can't even pronounce. But this shampoo is to help cleanse and clarify your hair, add the natural body and define the curls. It's easy to detangle, reduce the frizz, it adds shine, stimulates hair growth. Okay, no, for real, y'all. This shampoo smells so good. I don't want to take it out my hair. There's just so many benefits to this apple cider vinegar shampoo. Leave it on for 5 minutes. You showed yourself, and baby, yes, I saw the real you. Thank God you blew it. Thank God I dodged the bullet. I'm so over you, baby, good looking out. I wanted you back. I'm so through with that. 'Cause honestly, you turned out to be. Just look at my hair. It already looks soft and healthy. And this conditioner also smells good. Now, this conditioner is an intensive conditioning treatment for thin, weak, or damaged hair. It is organic virgin coconut oil, and it also has avocado oil and wheat protein. So this conditioner is also very, very healthy for your hair. It replenishes all the lost nutrients. It penetrates the hair shafts, adds natural thickness and volume to your hair. Also has many oils. It has organic coconut oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and all these other oils I can't even say. A lot of good ingredients. As I'm looking in the ingredients on both of these shampoos and conditioners, it is nothing that will strip your hair. No alcohol, no sulfates. This stuff is really good. Like, it's really natural for our natural hair. So now I'm just going through detangling it, making sure that the conditioner is going through each of my strands. So I basically section it off into 4, and you'll see what I do. There was a time I thought that you did everything right. No lies, no wrong. Boy, I must have been out of my mind. What the? Also, make sure you are detangling from bottom to top so you will not cause any breakage or rip any strands out of your hair. Look at that, girls. Look at that. My curls are loving it. Loving every bit of it. You showed yourself, and baby, yes, I saw the real. I could be your supermodel if you believe, if you see it. Now I tie my hair up with a cotton t-shirt because we don't do towels anymore, girls, because they break our hair off. So this is after about 45 minutes. I let my hair get about 75% dry, and my curls are looking pretty good. They're not as defined as they would be with product in them, of course, because there is none in there yet, but it looks very good to be freshly washed. Now I'm gonna go in with another product that they gave me. It is called the 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. I really don't think I needed it because it is to reduce frizz, give you stronger roots, less split ends, improve lipid barrier, visibly improve texture, dandruff control, hair breakage protection, all this stuff that I didn't really think was necessary for my hair. This is basically an extra healthy ingredient. It has tea tree extract, lemon extract, rosemary extract, all these healthy things that also have vitamins A, B5, B7, E, and F. So if you do want an extra layer of health and moisture, I suggest that you apply it to your hair. I personally didn't think I needed it because after that conditioner, my hair was loving it, and I could have just went in with my regular product, but I did want to show you guys how this Wow conditioner, shampoo, and 10-in-1 product work together without using a product from a different company. So you ask, would you suggest this? Honestly, I would use this when I feel like my hair needs a lot of moisture, when my hair needs a treatment without having to do a deep treatment or protein treatment. This is my supplement for it. So shout out to Wow, because my hair looking like wow. Now my curls could be so much more defined, but I'd rather have health and moisture over defined curls any day. So I hope you guys like this wash and go featuring this new product I use. All the links will be below, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye.